What's up guys, welcome to Drone Mania. So we're here again at the Sand Hills, beautiful place, love it. We're here with my Arrma Kraton V3 that has been upgraded to nearly a V4. I'm here with my cousins as well, and here's my cousin. Say hi. Hi. We're here trying to fix my Arrma Kraton. The other day I went with it mud bashing, got real dirty, so unplugged everything, no battery, gave it a wash, and then this happened. It's not working, so it's out of commission, but we're still here, so we're gonna try to make the best of it. I'll try to film other people's cool cars, and that's pretty much it. Okay. So my cousin just finished installing 6S battery. Now we're gonna have a blast, or he's gonna have a blast, and I'm gonna be recording. Yeah. What the heck? So guys, as you can see from that crazy ass jump, he ended up breaking the end rods. These are the RPM, so he just shattered one of them. Check that out. But that was an insane jump, people. It was insanely high, and I missed the whole thing.